My dear brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a green pea hummus. And this is from a recipe inspired by Jessica Hoffman, a very creative chef, with Choosing Chia. That's her website. It is filled with original and creative recipes. Get on her mailing list. She sends me a wonderful recipe every couple days. So here we have a green pea hummus, and hummus, as you know, is a Middle Eastern delight, and it goes so very, very well with so many different foods. And the principal ingredient of hummus happens to be chickpeas. This is a wonderful bean, so loaded with nutrients. But let's begin. Let's begin by making almond milk. You've seen this time and time again in so many of our recipes. We start with a cup of spring water. There we go. And to this we're going to be adding a heaping tablespoon of almond butter. Our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter is made from almonds grown by a wonderful family, the Kortoffs. They're located near Fresno. They have 500 acres with 70,000 almond trees, and this family produces over 1 million pounds of almonds annually. Wonderful people, a pleasure, a privilege to work with them. And let us agree that it's not only water and fertilizer and soil and whatever, but intentionality. Intentionality is a material force in food ingredients, and especially in our almond butter. It is created by a wonderful, it's created from almonds grown by a wonderful California farming family. So here we have a cup of spring water, heaping tablespoon of almond butter. And here we go. Voila! It has flashed into almond milk. Let's agree, so much fresher than anything you can buy from a store that's been sitting on that shelf for who knows how long. Maybe since the dawn of the Cenozoic. Who knows? Anyway, here we have almond milk that we've created ourselves in moments. So now we're going to begin. We're going to begin with our recipe, and we're going to start with chickpeas, of course, and we're going to add chickpeas to our blender. Let's say about a cup or so. Okay. And then we're going to add a cup of green peas. These are organic, but of course, a treasure of California agriculture. And we're going to add some cilantro. Cilantro is a wonderful, wonderful salad green. And if you don't have cilantro handy, parsley will do parsley or some chopped celery would do so very, very well. So we're adding cilantro, and then a clove of garlic. This is a California pink garlic, and then we're going to add some tahini. Let's say we'll measure this by eye, and let's say a third of a cup of our Living Tree Alive Organic Tahini. And now we're going to be adding some olive oil. And here we have our California Greek Heritage olive oil. It's grown by a wonderful farming family in Northern California. And they have over 2,000 acres. 2,000 acres of ranch land. And this is a Greek variety olive, a Kalamata olive, and it's very, very high in polyphenols, which, as you know, are so conducive to health and well-being. So here is our California Greek Heritage olive oil, and we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons. And how about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice? Actually, I'm using lime juice today. Half a teaspoon of salt. This is our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And finally, let's start it off by giving it some of our almond milk to help it blend and become smooth. So let us So here we have it, the green peas. Give it a wonderful, wonderful color. So filled with vitality and aliveness. Wonderful color. So brothers and sisters, here we have green pea hummus. Let's try it on bread. Let's try it on sourdough bread. Let's try it on crackers. Let's put it in Middle Eastern salads, maybe as a salad dressing that we've prepared. And let us try it also on a slice of organic apple. So here we go, green pea hummus, a privilege to share with you. Let us go forward. Your comments and criticisms are so welcome. You might want to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, you might want to subscribe. Thank you indeed. Let us go forward. Please put your comments down below.